Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today, part 2 of the Gen 3 Hemi build with Matt from BigBlocksGarage. So if you remember, last time we got 6 of the 8 pistons in and had an issue with the spring or oil ring compressor. Yep. And so Matt's worked the last 3 days. I'm actually wearing the same shirt from the other night, but it's been washed. We're 3 days later now. So Matt, tell us what all you got done so far.
Okay, so what I went ahead and did in between tapings was I got the last 2 pistons put in, borrowed a ring compressor from a gentleman, and then today when I got home, I just got to going. Cam's in, and that's the Comp Cam Stage 2 HRT cam. Just got the timing set from Top Dead Center, and the timing kits come with a little blue dash to go above the dot, so you're sure your chain's in center. Then you pull the pin on the tensioner, and it tensions your timing chain. So now we're just working on putting on the oil pump, and then I'm not 100% sure what else we're gonna do tonight, but by golly, we're cranking.
Maybe some lifters or something.
I imagine the lifters and the heads will go on tonight.
Yeah, it's exciting. All right, we're gonna get to work.
Cool.
All right, guys, them are Hellcat lifters. That added at least 17 horsepower by putting those lifters in there. All right, guys, so Matt is putting in the what we in the LS world called DOD, or displacement on demand, or whatever the hell we call it, and it's over here it's called MDS, multiple displacement. Yeah, whatever, you know. So Matt's lubing those up to go in these holes here, because just like an LS, it would be oil controlled partially for all that stuff. So we're gonna put those in now.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so Matt made a great point. He said, let's go ahead and spin the engine on the stand here up so we can get a little better leverage on everything. So I'll stop, and that way I can, 12 seconds? Yeah, we just, that must be a
big heavy broad.
Right. Like a glove.
See how much nicer that looks?
Yeah. I'm getting oil all over your handle here. Look how fancy that is.
Top left. Scale of 1 to 10, Mike, where you at?
Horny. That's exciting.
Here we go.
And it's on. That was a lot less eventful than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
Hate to disappoint. God bless.
Okay, so let's go. Yep.
Alright guys, so here is the order in which you tighten the bolts, and then there are all the ones that you tighten it down to, all the torque settings. We're going to drop these things in here. Top of top again.
Set 'em up, my friend. Did it hit right?
Do this to work. Just takes like tire.
Oh, yeah, we should, yeah.
Yeah.
Demon, come out. So, watch a lot of Octonauts?
Do what?
I said, do you watch a lot of Octonauts?
No.
Or are your kids enough to avoid that phase?
Yeah, we're older for that one.
This car's gonna hurt a lot of feelings. So it's gonna be holding it right for a little bit. So I think it's like a can exhaust like 18 in here or something. This is You get out. Oh, that's up. Looks like you put that on. No. I'll sit down. No. Alright. Bye, people. I want you to do a curl with that one. I want you to do an intro. I don't want somebody for a minute. That's it. They're watching me. Oh, yeah. You need to work out. That's fine. That's fine. Wait, I'm recording. Not yet. I'm gonna sit down. Better video. Well, maybe just go backwards. No, just push on the wrong side. Oh shit, hang on. You might be right. Yeah, see that? It's back here. Yeah. Woo! Just get for a reason. Oh, yeah.
Super impressed with it. And then that's also before you do the heat, you the 446 back runner. So like that's running out. That's awesome. But there's a nice part to make. One nice part to make. So the fact that this happens is it's a fun part. It's a new, like, part of it. Just go something different. Yeah. Hey, tell me, you find something you love. And do it. Stop at 9. Pop it in. Well, what happens is that no, what do you like? Yeah, it's always easy to get it. So like, I'll get it. Cool. Oh, I need to put some grease in there. She's heavy now. Day 23 in the chamber. They ain't found me yet.
Dude, that's awesome.
Monstrous looking at it.
That's awesome. All right, that thing's gonna be so cool looking in there.
So I can
Y'all, look at that. Whew. That's cool. The valve covers are just sitting on there for right now, but I mean, dang. Lamp, because just sit here and time lapse his ass in there working. No. No, just I need a few minutes of, or yeah, like a minute and a half of him working on that, and we'll don't get up your short shot there. It's not that kind of video.
Yeah, that's here. Let's help you up on getting the other one out.
Oh no, that's fine. I mean, I could have wrapped it up, but dude. Dude, that looks so badass.
Right?
Tell you, cause
Just keep on waiting.
yeah. Dude.
Greg's line. Somebody told you you're doing a good job today? No? Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
What we're thinking about doing here, Mike, is, like I said, Terminator and the box in the glove box.
Mhm.
So that way we can drop it and see everything. And then
I'm listening.
And then what I'm thinking is this hole down here, where I don't know if somebody put that in the firewall or.
I'm leaving. I'm out. So Matt has the engine mostly together. Few little bits and pieces. Him and Chris have obviously started the wiring, which I'm not staying for. I'm getting the hell out of here, going on vacation. So, all right. I'll link Matt's channel down in the bottom in the description and up here in the corner. So, all right. I'm out.
See you,
Bye.
buddy.